Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to get and use cursed energy in Jujutsu Shenanigans. So let's dive in. Now, first off, cursed energy in this game isn't something you find as a separate item. It's part of your combat mechanics and your character's energy gauge. So every time you perform attacks, combos, or skills, you'll see your cursed energy meter fill up. It's usually tied to your character's moves and techniques, and as you use your abilities in combat, you naturally generate and spend cursed energy to power them. And that gauge above your health or ult bar basically is your cursed energy. And once it fills, you can unleash stronger offensive or defensive actions that tap into it. And to activate your cursed energy, you'll typically hit a specific key or button. And once that meter has enough stored energy, when activated, your character will glow or get an aura owned, and you'll see the effects of cursed energy, like increased damage, enhanced move properties, or access to moves that normally require energy to use. Now, this activation lets you power up certain attacks or defenses that would otherwise not be available without cursed energy. Now, the real trick is to keep building that meter by playing aggressively, attacking enemies, landing combos, and using your techniques effectively so that meter fills up. Once you've got a good amount of cursed energy stored, activating it at the right moment can completely turn a fight into your favor or allow you to pull off more advanced combos and mechanics against players or bosses. So the bottom line, there isn't a separate item you have to get for cursed energy. You earn it as you fight. Fill up the meter and then activate it with the right button. Normally, that's the letter G on your keyboard. And once you have enough built up for your character's ability. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.